Okay, we're going to do some probability word problems now. We have a bag that contains 30 marbles, 18 are blue, 12 are green. You reach into the bag and draw out a marble. I'm guessing that's supposed to be one marble at a time until you have 3 marbles in your hand. What is the probability that marbles are blue? So let's look at that. How many different times we go in? We have 3 events. When we have different events, we're going to have to multiply 3 times, 3 different probabilities. I start with 30 marbles. Since I'm keeping them in my hands and I'm not putting them back, I'm keeping them, not putting them back, the number of marbles, 29, decreases, 28, decreases each time. So blue marbles, wait, is it each time? All of them are blue. So all of them being blue, we start with 18 marbles. When I draw the second time, that blue marble is still in my hand. So there's only 17 left. When I draw the third time, there's 2 blue marbles already in my hand. So what I'm going to have is only 16 left in here. That's what I need to do in the calculator. Alpha y equals, enter, 18 over 30. Then I have multiply, alpha y equals, enter, 17 over 29, times alpha y equals, enter, 16 over 28, enter. That is my probability. I'll take the fraction. 204, 1015. That is my probability. If you wanted a decimal, just a reminder, I don't think it's very important on a test, or sorry, 100%. Math decimal, that is 0.2009852. I'm just writing a lot of it out there. To make a percent, we move this decimal 1, 2 times, so that's 20.098522. If I want 2 decimal places, 20.0. Well, that 8 would make that go up to 10, so that would be 20.1%. That's about what that is. 200 out of 1,000, 20%. 27. A bag contains 5 red, 3 white, and 2 blue. 5 red, 3 white, 2 blue balls. If 3 balls are selected at random with replacement, find the probability that they'll all be white. Well, we're doing 3 different events. Drawing 1, 2, 3. We're replacing them the whole time. That means these bottom numbers will be the same. There are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 balls every time we draw, because we're putting them back. And we want them all to be white. Start off with 3 white. Guess what? We take a white, draw it, put it back. So there's still 3 white in there. Draw a white again, put it back, so there's still 3 white in there. I'll go up here and just copy this one, less typing in the calculator. So all of these are 3 over 9. 3, 9, 3, 9, 3, 9. 1 out of 27. So if you do it 27 times, it should happen once. 2 more and we're done. A penny is tossed and a die is rolled. What is the probability of tossing a tail and rolling an even number? 2 things are happening, 2 events. I have one probability and another probability. Tails. Well, I have either heads or tails. There's 1 tail and 2 different options. 1/2 of that. My probability of rolling an even number, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is what's on the die. How many there's even? That one's even, that one's even, that one's even. 1, 2, 3. I have a total of 6, so that's 3/6. Multiply that in the calculator. Alpha y equals 1/2 times alpha y equals 3/6. Enter 1/4. Last one. If you toss a pair of dice, what is the probability that the sum of the 2 numbers shown will total 2 or more? Yesterday we did an experiment where we rolled 2 dice. No one got 1. If you roll dice, the smallest number you can get on them is 2. There is no way to get 1. So your options if you roll dice are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Those are your only options. There is no way to get 1. All of these numbers are greater than 2 or the same as 2, 2 or more, which means we have a probability of 1. It's a guarantee that if we roll 2 or more dice, that it will be 2 or greater. And that's the end.